Hi guys, today I'll show you how to stop spam calls on your iPhone using the most effective methods. If you're getting too many spam or marketing calls every day, the best approach is not just one setting but a combination of tools that work together. Some methods are very strong but may block real callers. Others are smarter and let genuine calls through. So let's go through the best methods one by one and you can choose what works for you. The first method is call screening. This is one of the smartest features available on iPhone. When an unknown number calls you, your iPhone can automatically answer the call and ask why they are calling. Before your phone even rings, it shows you the caller's response on the screen. This means spam callers get filtered out and real callers can still explain themselves. To enable this, open Settings. Tap Apps, then Phone. Tap Screen Unknown Callers. Select Ask Reason for Calling. This method works well because it filters spam without blocking real people completely. The second method is Silence Unknown Callers. This is a more aggressive option. Your iPhone will silence all calls from numbers that are not saved in your contacts. These calls won't ring. They go directly to voicemail and appear in your call history. To enable this, open Settings, tap Apps, then Phone. Tap Screen Unknown Callers. Select Silence. This works very well if you get a lot of spam calls, but keep in mind that first-time callers will also be silenced. The third method is using Truecaller Autoblock. Truecaller is one of the most popular spam detection apps, especially in India. It uses a large database of spam numbers and can block them automatically. You can choose between blocking only top spammers, which is safer, or blocking all spammers, which is more aggressive. To use this, install Truecaller on your iPhone. Open the app and go to the Protect tab. Turn on Autoblock. Choose your preferred blocking level. Blocked calls will not ring, but you can still see them in your call log. The fourth method is blocking spam numbers manually. If a specific number keeps calling you again and again, you can block it permanently. Open the phone app, go to Recents, tap the eye icon next to the number, scroll down and tap Block this caller. Confirm the action. This is useful for repeated spam calls from the same number. The fifth method is creating a contacts-only focus mode. This is very useful during nighttime or work hours. You can set your iPhone to allow calls only from saved contacts and silence everything else automatically. To set this up, open Settings, tap Focus. Tap the plus icon and create a new mode. Name it something like anti-spam. Tap People. Select Allow calls from contacts only. Then set a schedule, for example 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. or your working hours. Once enabled, your phone will automatically block unknown calls during those times. Now here's something important to remember. The strongest spam protection is not always the smartest. For example, silencing all unknown callers is very effective, but you may miss important calls. Call screening is smarter, but it may not stop all spam calls. So the best approach is to combine methods based on your needs. Quick recap. To stop spam calls on iPhone, you can enable call screening for smarter filtering. Use Silence Unknown Callers for stronger blocking. Turn on Truecaller Auto Block. Block numbers manually from Recents. Create a contacts-only focus mode. Using a combination of these methods gives you the best protection. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments how many spam calls you get in a day, because for some users it's getting out of control.